You can find math everywhere, in your phone, in music, and especially in arts. These ones that I'm showing you are just some examples of millions more. So it may be only natural to think that math is the science of aesthetics. But what about the other way around? Have ever arts been able to help to solve math problems? The answer is yes. And for this, I'm going to give you a marvelous example of this. You probably have heard of the Tesseract, that cube that contained the space stone in the MCU. But did you know that the term Tesseract was invented by a British mathematician and science fiction writer to imagine a cube in the fourth dimension? And let me explain. Imagine that you are in a flat world, in a world where there are only two dimensions, so you can only have width and length. You may know a square by walking around the hem of it, maybe, but a three-dimensional square, that would be hard if not impossible to imagine. Because in that flat world, you don't have any more space to fit another dimension. The same happened to us when we try to imagine a cube in a four-dimension space. And that's when art comes to rescue. Fascinated by this unimaginable idea, our mathematician Charles Howard Hinton created a series of books trying to explain this. In these books, he tried to create an intuitive imagination for how things move in a four-dimensional space. And this cube is what we call an hypercube or tesseract. And in this video, I'm showing you the representation of a fourth-dimensional cube in a three-dimensional space. It's like the shadow that it would give in a three-dimensional space. It is thought that these ideas inspired Einstein to create his relativity theory, where he used the fourth dimension as the space dimension. However, this doesn't stop here. Some scientists theorize that for this to work, the universe need 11 dimensions. That is crazy. But I have to say something, and it's that I admire a lot the mathematician who achieved to show math through arts for we, the people who doesn't know math, to understand it. It really takes a lot of passion, a lot of creativity, effort, and intelligence to do something like this. And it really just blows my mind.